Alright, so today's the day we're going to test out our lift for the first time. We're at Uwharrie National Forest, and let's go check out the trails. So that concludes our off-roading adventure with this 4Runner, first time with the lift. And as you can see, we've done quite a bit. It's dirty, it's filthy, but I am so impressed. I barely scraped anywhere. This thing handles remarkably well. But one thing, based on the mud, that I think we need next is tires. So we'll take a look on that hopefully in the next mod. But nonetheless, we did a lot more than I did last time, and this 4Runner handled it like a champ. So thank you so much for watching. I'm glad you're part of this build. More to come. Bye.